arrived at this awesome scenic spot here in Boulder, Colorado. Let me try to quit shaking. All you're gonna probably hear is the wind blowing. My apologies. Look at this. Jesse, our tour guides, but we're going to the Flatirons and to Chautauqua. Nice. We have made it to Chautauqua. We have begun our journey. We'll tell you how it goes. Unless we die on the way. I think I'm acclimated, man. Come on, you know, I've been taking a lot of rest. And that's a pot right there, no, no, that's good. Alright, we're here to ask the locals. Something that's on my mind and everyone else's. Where the hell is the oxygen? Anyone? Anyone? Oh god. All the way up here. None. We've made it not even to the first loop. Right?
We're at the base of the mountain.
We're at the base of the mountain. I've gotten dizzy twice, out of breath 5 times.
So we're doing good.
They're doing good. People are passing us left and right. Our guides have threatened to leave us on the mountaintop if we don't begin to move up a little faster. We will keep you guys posted. Yeah. We are way up here. 7,000 feet or something. Whew! We are, how many feet are we now?
7,075.
7,075 feet, not bad.
There's the base of the first
There's the base of the first Flatiron Mountain. Right over there. If you can see it, you probably can't. Oh, there we go, zoom in. That's it right there. Yep, it goes all the way up behind them trees. But we're going up these Mayan-like steps here. Look at this. Very cool. We're going higher. The higher we get, the higher I feel. Isn't that strange? Let's go. Killing my heights. $7,075 feet, not bad.
There's the base of the first flat
That's the
iron.
base of the first flat iron mountain. Right over there. You can see it, you probably can't. That's it right there. It was all the way up behind them trees. And we're going up these Mayan-like steps here. Look at this. Very cool. We're going higher. The higher we get, the higher I feel. Okay. Hi.
We are coming up to the top of the flat rock. Wow. I can't even tell you how windy it is. It's
Oh my god. Oh man, okay. I just went all the way down there. Oh. How high are we up now? Okay. Let's get going. I had to put this camera up because if I hold on to it, I'm gonna drop it and die. See you soon. Going to the top. Oh my god.
This is the fun part.
So we're up here on the top of the mountain. 1,480 or so feet. I'm feeling it. And we're about to start our trek down. So wish us luck. We're on our way.
Yeah, no, I've been on there.
Okay, so I was wrong. We're only up about 8,000 feet. The guy who read me his gauge was wrong. I think he was a little high from the lack of oxygen. Yeah, Here we go.
Check this out.
What is it right here?
You should see this.
Let's see. Let's see. Holy hell. Yes. Woohoo. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, snap. It's just on the climb. The fuck is just climb the mountain. That's the fuck.
It's a good spot.
Woo.
Definitely a good spot.
That totally figures. That's what we're doing.
Okay, I'm just swinging down on this branch.
Oh my God. On our way back down the mountain. Check this out. I know. Just want to see this big slab of rock right here. All right. Here.
This is our view walking down the mountain.
We have made it back down the mountain. Back down. We made it. You knew we would.
And it's like
Hold up. I want to know if he's gonna hop again. That's what's up. Yeah.